yourself comfortable pants. I love that color.
Isn't it beautiful?
That Luann
that
has
sage.
on. Wow.
Yeah.
That is really pretty.
I don't even know if this color was showing up on QVC.com. It's so new. Like the other day when I looked, it said photo to come or something. So
yeah. Well,
now you're seeing it live and in person.
On QVC, we were talking about this yesterday. We have now almost 21 brands. And imagine everything within all those brands. It's a task to get it up on QVC.com. We're going to talk regular and short, but I'm going to let Angel walk you through that one. These are on sale. The price on them is going up at the end of the day. So trust me, it is well worth putting them in the cart and checking out. 3 easy pays at $19.66. Got the Q card? This is the perfect show to be able to use that Q card. That automatically makes you a VIP, so you get 5 easy pays on everything. And if you don't have a Q card, it's not too late. You can go ahead and apply for one. And if you use it to buy these pants, the pants price is $38.96. So it's well worth it. And then you will always have 5 easy pays. All right, colors. Stone. Stone is one of the most important universal colors because you can wear it year-round.
Agreed.
Right?
Yep.
And especially with mocha mousse. And I know everyone's like, what are you talking about?
Pantone's color of the year.
Pantone color of the year. It's called mocha mousse. So you're going to see a lot more neutrals. If you bought the today's special value on Monday from Isaac, he had that cardigan would be perfect with these pants. And listen, everybody plays nice in the sandbox here, so you won't hurt anyone's feelings by doing that. These are medium wash. So there's your medium wash. Here is that incredibly gorgeous sage. Wow, that is good.
It's perfect sage too. Like that is, when you hear it, that's what you think.
Yep. Almost can feel the furry leaves with the sage. Black. Every girl needs several different styles of black. Here's dark indigo. So if you like a darker indigo, you were using those candy pink.
Yeah.
How pretty and feminine. I keep looking at the cardigan you have on. You could have worn candy pink pants with those. I mean, how pretty.
I could have.
Yep. And then I slid right into the white. And that's what I was like, what are these pants? Because they're so comfortable.
I know.
They're
really good.
DreamJeannes. All right, start wherever you want,
Well, I was going to say, like, we could just go sit down and have a sip of coffee because our customer knows what to do. We don't have to tell you anything. This is that pant that you write me for daily on social media. This is that straight leg with the classic waistband that you continue to ask for. And at this time, we're trying to convince QVC we need to bring it in more often. But at this time, it's once here, it's now.
Well, you know, for so many things, when they sell out, that's it. You know when you get them the next time? 2026.
Exactly.
So there's a lot of waiting.
Exactly. So would you mind if I told the story of DreamJeannes?
Oh no, please do.
Okay.
Absolutely.
So, if you aren't familiar with our founder, Jean Bice, she was a woman who was ahead of her time, who said what she thought, and who wanted what she wanted. Right? Am I wrong?
And supported women.
Right?
Supported every woman.
Women. Absolutely, 100%. So, you know, over 30 years, you have to come up with some new ideas. You have to come up with some new things. And she was like, you know, ugh, denim, ugh. I cannot wear denim anymore. It's too high-waisted, too uncomfortable. There's no stretch. No. But then after coming here and seeing everybody backstage and the models and the other guests wearing jeans, she was like, well, I want to feel cute and young and hip, but I will not go back to that fabric that I gave up. So she found this fabric. It is 96% cotton, 4% spandex. It is a knit French terry that is dyed to look like denim, of course, on the medium wash and on the dark indigo. On the other colors, it looks a little more like twill, but you're still getting that great fabric, really incredible stretch. Fully elasticized waistband, functioning pockets front and back, our signature heart that lets you know it's that Dream Jean material you've come to know and love. Straight leg style classic, year round, works for every body, every shape, everything. We do short, not petite, so the rises are the same, whether it's short or regular. Your only measurement difference is that inseam. And on the regular, it's 30, and I think on the short, it's
27 and a half.
27 and a half.
Yep.
There we go.
Totally.
So just keep that in mind when we launched DreamJeannes, because I was here for that, right? 3 silhouettes. A boot cut, a legging, and a denim jacket. Since then, over 100 different silhouettes with my big deal pants that I have on being the newest. And we sold well. I asked for a recount, but they've not gotten back to me yet. QVC has not gotten back to me yet on how many, but it's well over 4 million. Like well over 4 million. And you can see these on Luann. She's 5'9". Are you wearing the medium in these?
I'm the medium.
Okay. So Luann can wear either the small or the medium. So if we don't have your size and color in a smaller size, you could go up because that elastic band, it should be okay.
That's
and
how
not
forgiving
too baggy.
this is.
That's how forgiving.
Because we know that many of you have told us right now that, you know, wait, I was going to say 800 sold. Now my producer just said, Jonathan, 1,000 already sold. So they are going very quickly as you predicted.
I told you.
But what we wanted to say was, if you are someone who's in the process of losing, or maybe, you know, at certain times of the month or whatever, you gain a little bit of weight, you have got that kind of forgiveness in these pants. So keep that in mind. And of course, you can always go to QVC.com, our size chart, and, you know, if you don't know where to start.
Yes.
All right. Can we do colors?
Please.
All right. So that is going to be your stone. No,
this is your medium
that's
wash.
your medium wash.
I'm sorry, I messed you up.
I know.
See? Keeping you on your toes.
I am not going to let you do this anymore. Here's the stone.
I'm sorry. Oh, okay.
300 regular.
The stone. Okay.
250 in short. 250 in short.
Jonathan, is that the stone? Did I mess you up, or is that the medium wash? That update. Let me do that again. Can we do that again? I'm gonna get in trouble.
300 regular, 250 short. Okay. Your earpiece is in, right?
Yep.
Okay.
Sorry.
Stone, 350 regular, 300 short. Sage, 300 regular, short, 250 remain there.
New color today.
Gorgeous color.
First presentation we've had of these this year, by the way.
Gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. Oh, thank you for telling us. All right, the black in regular inseam, 300. In short, 250. In dark indigo, 250 regular, 200 short. In candy pink, 100 regular, 5 dozen short. We're loving the candy pink. And then the white, 400 regular, 300 short. Price is going up at the end of the day. You're so smart. 1,500 now already ordered, double extra small to 3X. And the reason that these are a customer favorite every year?
The reason is because they're a classic pant. It's a classic fit. You pull on, they're easy, no buttons to mess with. The elastic is not too tight. That straight leg silhouette you can cuff up or leave it flat. They work with sneakers, boots, shooties, sandals. I mean, I'm wearing different pants, but you get my drift, right?
Yeah.
They're
look how
just
cute.
That classic style that you never take out of your wardrobe, no matter what time of year it is. You know, bundle up.
They're a good investment.
Very good investment. And as I said, we only get them once a year. This is your time.
Okay.
Please don't write me in July asking. Please don't ask me in July, because I won't be able to help you. And that makes me feel bad.
You could ask me and I'll say ask her. Price goes up at the end of the day. Customer favorite for you. If it helps, 3 easy pays. If it helps more, use your Q card. That'll be 5 easy pays. And there you can see all of those colors, regular and then short. All right. Now, Angel, you said all Quacker is on sale, and that means everything that we're showing you on air today, but also everything that you see on QVC.com. That's our free app. What are you waiting for? Go ahead and download that free app and take us with you wherever you go. Your phone, your computer, your tablet. Thank you, Sarah. It's so fun to wear spring and summer clothes.
I know, right?
They're so pretty this year. They really are.
Oh, we're wearing a very similar shoe,
are.
both from Clark's, by the way.
Look at us.
But it was